Hi guys! We are off to ride Puffing Billy today. We are so excited! We cannot wait. We have never been before and it's going to be the best fun. Woo! Okay, we made it. Now let's make sure we find the right platform. Hey guys, wait for me! This is so cool! So many stories and lots of history. This looks like it's the right place. Now let's get our tickets. Let's check out the gift shop. Oh, look! Squishies! They're so soft! Wow, check out this one little sis. Hey girls, have you seen these ones? These are great. I love squishies. My wristband. I better not forget that. That's my ticket to the train. Oh, sorry. Not today, little bro. We better get to the platform so not to miss our train. Can I get one thing? That's our train, guys. It must be close. Yay! We better not forget our wristbands. Hooray! 12:30 train, it's almost here. It's here, it's here, it's here! Everybody look, the train is here! These look like great seats. Let's sit here. Plenty of snacks for the ride. Here we go! Yay! Wow, this is so much fun! You can sit and dangle your legs. It's so high! Hold on tight! Whoa! Wow, little bro, this is so much fun! Whoa! Guys, Look at me! It's so fast! Hold on tight, little sis. Hello down there! I feel like we are flying. Whoa! We will just hang out here, little bro. Wow! Look over there! It's so cool when the train goes around a bend. Awesome! Everybody gets your cameras out. I'm still holding on. This is so much fun. It's not fair. I wish I was taller. Wow, little sis, you're doing so well. We arrived at the first stop, halfway through our journey. Come on, girls, let's stretch our legs. Hey, look, little bro, it's your favorite toy train. I know I'm too big. I'm gonna have a turn too. It's not as fun as the real thing. Hey girls, we have to go back to the train. Okay, one last turn. We got some awesome seats this time. Hopefully Big Sis won't be scared and will dangle her legs. That's the conductor. He checks everyone's tickets. He was such a nice man. Whoa! Big Sis is so brave. She dangled her legs. We are so proud of you, Big Sis. Look at all the green. You were so right, little sis. That wasn't scary at all. It was so fun. Oh my God! Guys, that was one of the most fun things we have done. We hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to like and subscribe and click the bell to get notified on all our new videos of our amazing adventures.